everybody. Hi, Dr.
Yep.
Sharma, Dr.
Yep.
Kinney. What a great session on the
And let's-
mitral. Let's see what you got. You
And
want to
let's
present the
update-
case?
Yeah. Yeah, no, but let me give you the update on the previous case. What happened is, as
Yeah.
initially predicted by everybody, the transseptal was not at the right position, so we have removed everything. We are waiting for ACT to come down and we'll repuncture it. Because otherwise, all the efforts were wasted, did everything possible with all the advice. The transseptal was, we are waiting ACT to come down, so we are ready for this case number 4. And then they'll go back and we'll give you the update on that. So coming
Oh,
back to
sounds
the
good.
case number 4, please, slide. Yeah.
Sounds good. I
So
mean,
this is
Greg
the
was
patient
saying the same.
97. Yeah. Look
Yep.
at the 97-year-old.
Oh, boy.
So, the oldest patient we had done is 104 year, 11 months and 28 days. So not 105 yet, but 104 plus. And that patient actually then after the tower, Mount Sinai has a lot of media publicity. She attended her great granddaughter's wedding.
Right and left.
So, but this is 97,
what's the
patient has
ACT?
severe aortic stenosis
What's the
and
ACT?
bicuspid. It's a bicuspid valve at this age, but I'm sure this is acquired
That's
bicuspid.
interesting.
And Kath Dunn has some moderate disease. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so based on the echo, you can see here a severe aortic stenosis and very calcific. Maybe live we can show.
Is that really bicuspid? Because I thought
stem-
it looked like tricuspid.
Yeah.
But maybe I'm off.
Well,
Maybe
let's
you can
say
show us.
On the echo
stem
stem.
can show.
Yes, you can go from the beginning.
This is the line. Okay, stem tell us
So-
it's the
yes, so-
bicuspid or
yes,
tricuspid.
So this, I have only few views, normal airway function, thick and calcified valve, very minimal AI. And this is the short axis, and you can see it's bicuspid valve. The right and left are fused, so it's a
okay.
very small opening. I don't know if you can see it, but
Okay,
it's
you
very,
sold me.
very see.
Acquired.
It's
very
fused, I think, yeah.
And normal airway function,
Okay.
normal airway function.
Okay.
Sorry, we don't have gradients because of.
Good. Let's go back to the slide presentation, please. So now here, actually, this will be a little better to say whether bicuspid or what, Gilbert, on the CT.
Yeah, so you can see it's a very small annulus for this 97-year-old lady. Annulus is actually less than 300 millimeters square. Perimeter is almost only just above 60 millimeters. LVOT is a little bit larger. Next slide. And you can see that this is a bicuspid valve as confirmed by stem on echo. You can see the left white commissural fusion there nicely. Next slide. So you can see sinus valve STG pretty generous, so no issues there. Next slide. And you can see left main, right coronary, very generous, so no issues there either. Yes, Sahil?
Yeah, access looks very reasonable. No calcium, large caliber vessels.
Yeah.
I mean, with that age.
For a
femoral artery is
97-year-old.
Very favorable. I mean,
Yeah.
That's
to
why
see
she's
that kind
still
of femoral
alive
artery.
at 97.
Well,
Okay.
actually, that goes back to, the patient. Many of these people tell us that we are that age because they don't have other disease may not be that progress. Okay, what about the carotid point of view
Right,
and the
so-
CTA?
Very feeble, thready pulse and very tortuous anatomy. So these frail old patients, sometimes it's hard to get the sentinel in. The vessel was very tiny, so we didn't attempt. Yeah.
So no sentinel done in this particular case. So from valve point of view, the Evolute Pro Plus selection, we are
23.
Any
selecting
comments here?
our
Let's before we go to the
23
valve,
millimeter.
I want to hear from
Yep.
I want to hear from the panel. Maybe we start with Raj. Can you press down, please, on the mic?
Yeah. So, I think we'll see. I didn't get an idea as to how calcified, but it is not very excessively calcified. That's the impression I got from the limited images I saw. And I think this is a good case. So either you can go for a self-expanding valve, or at our institution, we are more prone to using balloon expandable valves in bicuspid. I think either one would be a good option here.
And we know the data on both bicuspid are with the self-expanding and balloon expandable. All have been you use quite a bit. I know more data on the balloon expandable, but quite a bit on the self-expanding also. We felt that let's try this case with this. So coming back to the
completely
point,
agree.
the right percutánous femoral artery. Yeah.
We have some
With the
more
central
comments
the
here, Dr.
device, it
Sharma.
could not be done. Yep.
Dr. Sharma, we have some more comments. Howie?
I think it is sort of a bicuspid, but it's kind of a little bit of a cross in that the raphe is there. It doesn't look heavily calcified. There's 3 sinuses. So I think it's a little bit of a cross between a functional bicuspid and a true bicuspid congenitally. So I think it's a good case, though, to treat, and I would favor a self-expanding based on the very small area. You'd have to
In a
put a
small trial,
20 in
because
her
of
now.
age,
She's
not-
97, maybe a 20 wouldn't be a big deal, but in general, you'll
Yeah.
get better hemodynamics with a self-expanding valve here.
And
that's
from
decent.
Saibal has a comment.
I agree with using a self-expanding valve because with such a, a perimeter of less than, I think 61,
Angiogram.
I would, even if she was
Raman.
younger, definitely a 23 evolute. Regarding central cerebral protection, this is just what I was trying to tell Raj earlier, that the patients who
minus.
sometimes need it the most, we can't do it because they have bad radials.
Yeah, I know. That's
Then
that's
this is
what
just
I
an
was-
example
This
of
is
a
an
case.
example of a patient who
minus.
really should get distal protection, but that's just the way it is. So let's see. Okay, Dr. Sharma,
Okay.
back on to
All
you.
right. So we are ready here. And with the younger age, probably could have been a good case for the smart, this whether, but anyway, so because of her age, we are ready to here, put the evolute and 23 millimeter. We did a pre-dilatation. The moderate calcium, I know there is a whole issue whether you pre-dilate or not pre-dilate. We already discussed that.
Well, we just saw that you did pre-dilate. You passed by
Yeah,
it quick,
we
but we
pre-dilated,
did
yeah.
see it.
Yeah. But particularly, with the self-expanding, we thought you won't notice it, hopefully, because I know the first case, I would say,
You
the
can't
first
put
one,
anything past me.
probably questionable. Yeah, no. But this self-expanding, otherwise you post-dilate. I think it's self-expanding, I would say our threshold should a little lower.
What,
but
is
in
there
terms
an
of do a
agreement here?
pre-dilatation.
150.
Saibal is agreeing with you. Saibal likes your.
Beautiful.
So
All
we've
right.
gone,
If Saibal agrees, that's it.
so we've gone over to the Lunderquist double curve wire for all of our self-expanding valves
80?
because it keeps it so stable.
Ah.
I see you're using a Safari. Any comment on that?
I like using the double curve Lunderquist.
Yeah,
Okay,
what do you think?
looks
We are
very
the
good.
only-
Okay,
No.
we can do.
Very good.
Yeah,
You want to
looks
leave it
very
like
good.
that?
Yeah,
Little
okay,
bit
we can do
inside?
one more view. So this is
Did
the
you do a
FBO
cusp overlap? I didn't
view.
see you do that.
want-
Did you?
We did, we deployed cusp overlap.
Cusp overlap
We
view
deployed
Yeah.
cusp
and a
overlap.
zero deployment.
Okay, now
Okay,
we can do the
excellent.
cusp overlap again.
Thank you.
Okay.
No, looks good. That's really important.
Looks very good.
Really helps.
Okay,
Yeah.
everyone have,
No,
Okay.
no. Go
Yeah,
down.
push forward,
No?
push forward, push
I'll
forward.
take the pressure
Huh?
off the
Should
wire
we
Go to LAO.
so that it doesn't.
Okay, pressure
Yeah,
of the wire.
back.
Go LAO.
Oh, yeah, you want LAO? You want to? Okay.
Good.
Okay, we're gonna leave, yeah, no.
May fly off?
What do you think? You want to go a little further in? What?
No, I
I think it's
think
very
I would go
like
to
zero. Huh?
No, it's zero.
Are we okay with that, everybody? To me, it looks like it's supraannular already. I know the valve is supraannular, now the valve.
I think you should put back the pigtail and
What do you
see.
think?
Put
Yeah,
the
we're gonna
pigtail
take it
and
down.
take
No,
a
I know.
look.
Hold it.
I would go down,
Yeah. I think it-
recapture and go down.
Okay, we need a wire to go back
Maybe.
again.
Nice deployment.
I don't know, where is the wire?
That's,
Huh? It's a zero or minus, that's the key.
Understand.
here. Pigtail is
The
here.
pigtail is there.
Looping
No,
around.
Look around.
it
Take
looks
this one.
zero.
Let's see the top,
On the right.
Yeah,
non-
it is.
zero or
non-
minus even.
Well,
left coronary
well,
cusp is
LAO
3 or
view,
4.
you can't see.
Okay, take it now.
Hold on one second.
Go to the LAO. Yeah.
This is,
Go down.
this is LAO, so this is
So,
not
I
real. So you have to look like
What is your
RAO.
view which you,
We
But
did,
I
we did
agree
an
with you.
RAO view earlier.
Okay, go to RAO.
I
Yeah.
can go LAO.
You have to do RAO to whether you actually,
So this is more like your
I think it's
cusp
just
overlap
that
here.
zero
it's a more
valve.
cusp overlap.
Hmm?
Here,
May fly out.
What do you think? What do you think?
fine, we here, there you go.
okay, let's take a picture again.
Yeah, it's at 0. I mean, 0 and 3. It's
Are
reasonably
you okay?
think
Is
it
everybody
looks
all right
good.
with this?
Deploy here.
Yeah.
I think I would be
forward.
very
Okay.
careful
Yep.
during the deployment. I'd put some forward tension on the
Yep.
device, pull the wire
Yep.
back a
Okay.
bit, and
Which
pace
they did,
during it,
yep.
so it really doesn't move. You have no,
Okay,
you have no
pace.
room
You have
for,
no room for it to
error here.
move.
yeah.
Okay, 180. Forward,
Yeah.
not a 4.
You can see that.
Yep.
Center wire, center wire.
Center the wire more,
Right,
Dr. Cleany, please.
centralize
More,
the
more,
wire.
more, more.
It's coming out. Yeah,
There you
it's
go.
coming out already.
Yeah, That's good.
Pushing,
Push forward a little bit.
Push forward. Yeah.
pushing more. Yeah.
It
It's
didn't
ready
move
to
yet.
release.
Pushing
No, no,
more.
looks
That's fine.
good.
Okay, not yet. No, good, perfect.
Perfect.
150. 150. You have to acknowledge 150, please, Adrian.
150.
Oh, the thing.
Okay.
I can't see it.
That's
Push the
okay.
wire. Push the wire. AK Pushpa.
No, I'm pulling everything out.
Okay, 120.
You want to take everything out? Good. Okay.
Okay, all
Let's
right,
see the
very
picture.
good.
Wow.
Beautiful.
I think about
120,
Mm.
80, back up.
I'm sure
No, no,
everybody's
that's
pulse rate was about 150.
Okay, okay.
The small roots.
Low
Yes.
max, little low max.
Yellow man, yep.
Go ahead,
Yeah.
press the
When
button.
I use the Kasparov Live, even at zero deployment, I actually reduce the pacing till normal heart rate before I deploy the valve to see if it's stable. Because if it moves at that time, then I know it's not stable.
Perfect.
Oh, wow, wow.
Look at that.
Yeah, it look,
All right, Echo
Okay.
team. Stam, tell us how things are.
Yes.
Looks like,
Good position of the valve. Let's put some color, please. Some minimal PVL. Take that, please. Take that.
The one thing I wouldn't do
Okay.
here is post-dilate.
Yeah,
Take some there, please.
That we will agree with.
Take that.
but look
Yeah.
good anyway.
Looks great, yeah.
Okay.
What is the gradient now?
We'll
Stam?
measure now.
Actually, Stem will give his lecture in few minutes. And I think Roxana, before all the panelists we can get and start those 4 fellows competition, and I'll come and join you
Okay.
shortly, and Stem will give his lecture
She
later.
won't join, reach there.
And then will they try to go back and do a repuncture and see if we can get that? Because otherwise the patient has to come back. But right now ACT, they told us, has gone down, and heart rate is much better actually. Now
Yes.
finally the pulse rate, heart rate has become 72. That's what we wanted. With all the medications is working
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
and go back and they'll start their effort again.
but I mean, I think it's,
Okay,
it was
that's
a
good.
great,
Good.
great
Yeah.
case.
That's
Thank
great.
you
That's
so
good.
much.
That's great, that's great.
So we had
Great
a
work.
small
Thank you.
annulus, a
That
valve
was
and
great for
valve
you.
and a bicuspid.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay, great,
Thank
great,
you.
great.
Yes.
This was a
Thank
good.
you.
All right. Good, good,
Okay,
good.